Saturn, the sixth planet from our Sun, a giant gas world. But what truly sets it apart, it's the rings. Saturn wears these icy rings like a cosmic crown. They are vast, stretching out over 160,000 miles, but their thickness, surprisingly thin, some places less than a football field. These rings aren't solid. Instead, they're made up of countless particles. These particles range in size from tiny ice grains to chunks bigger than a house. Each one orbits Saturn like a miniature moon. The rings shine, reflecting sunlight, making Saturn a jewel of our night sky. But how did these majestic rings form? That's a question that has puzzled astronomers for centuries. Imagine a moon venturing too close to Saturn. Saturn's gravity is immense, much stronger than our own Earth's. As the moon gets closer, Saturn's gravity starts to pull on it unevenly. This gravitational tug-of-war becomes stronger, eventually overwhelming the moon's own gravity holding it together. This point of no return is called the Roche limit. Once a moon crosses this invisible line, Saturn's gravity tears it apart. This shattered moon, reduced to countless fragments of ice and rock, then begins to orbit the planet. Over time, these fragments spread out, colliding and grinding against each other, eventually forming the rings we see today.
We're learning so much from these rings. They're like cosmic fingerprints telling us about Saturn's past.
Recent observations have shown that the rings are surprisingly young. They likely formed much later than Saturn itself, perhaps within the last few 100 million years.
That means we're witnessing a dynamic process still unfolding. The rings are constantly changing, with particles colliding and even raining down onto Saturn.
Saturn's rings are a reminder of the power and beauty of our universe. They show us that even in the vastness of space, destruction and creation go hand in hand. By studying these shimmering rings, we're not just learning about Saturn's past, but also gaining clues about the formation of planets and solar systems across the cosmos. The next time you gaze up at Saturn in the night sky, remember those rings. They are a testament to the wonders that await us as we continue to explore the universe and unravel its many mysteries.